In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make rounded edges here in Canva. Now, what I'm about to share with you will work with images, it will work with shapes, and it will work with frames. Now, it's really easy to round the edges on these as well. All we have to do is simply click onto what it is that we want to round the edges off. Then, if we come up to here, we're going to see this toolbar, and we want to go on this little corner rounding icon. If we click on there, this is where we can play around and round the edges of this image. Now we can put a number in here, but the best way to do it is just by using this bar. Now the higher we go up this bar, we can see the more the corners round. The lower we go down this bar, the less of a rounding there is. So obviously you're going to want to find your happy medium. Now for this example, let's go at round about 70. Now we can do it on this shape as well. Now if we come over to elements, these are Canva shapes just here. If we click on see all, you can do it on all of these. But again, it's going to be the same process. What we want to do is click onto the shape, come up to here where we see that little corner rounding icon. If we click on there, we can then again play with this bar to round those edges off. Now let's go ahead and take this, let's plug that into the frame just like that, because we can do the same on here as well. We click onto the frame, we come up to corner rounding just here, and then we can play around with those edges. Now let's just go ahead and delete the image so we can see what the frame looks like as well. And if we play along with that bar, we can see that just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make rounded edges here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.